Welcome this video. Your front here is the first thing that green visiting and passage-by make it an essential aspect of your house. Come appear one way to enhance the beauty of your front yard is by installing an decoration fence. Decorated fence not only provide security and provide but also add charming and chapter to your house interior. Decorated metal panel model front yard can benefit from the chic and contemporary look of decorated metal panel. Those panels can invest decor such as geometric pattern or abstract art combination material panel with other metal like wood or stone can create a sticker values country make your first yard start out wrought alone elegant for any air of elegance and sophistication. Consider a walk Airmont French. Those are not French or cannot only those design which can range from simple schools to elaborate pattern worms air on French or double and low main interest make theme and excellent choose from a front yard that elects timeless beauties. Rustic woods step red bench. If you are perfect a most rustic and beautiful natural look or wood typic red panel bench may not be that perfect choice. Those fans are made your rustic available times and are often left in those natural state and product. Those are excellent from framed your front yard wide, wind interest, and an open and invited atmosphere. Provide with letter panel from house owners. Skip both provide and a static letter panel are any excellent choice. Those panel choose be interior into western French style such as wood are lived later French allowing climbing plants like vines or rose to add a touch of green and sea of intimacy to your front yard. Charming cottage style panel for those who ability to choose charming of cottage style house. A cottage finds it the perfect match. Those French owner combine would pick with scholars. Conclusion: your front yard is a charming way to be abroad and a decoration fence is a wonderful way to elevate and inviting appear. Whether you are perfect, the timeless elegance of iron and rustic simplicity of or the model home material panel, metal panel, that decoration